Everybody, as you've seen me do before, we have a College Friday throwback, College Friday Funky Friday life skills. We are taking a look at one that was originally posted May 8th of 2020 back during the original closure when I was teaching 8th grade. And this one, I was told by my students at the time, was quite popular. It is washing dishes. Special guest in this one, Mrs. Niewayne pops in. We're both wearing college shirts on this particular Friday. And my students last spring told me they actually took their Chromebooks into the kitchen, or some of them took their Chromebook into the kitchen and were washing dishes, and their parents were very impressed. So please enjoy, and definitely I hope you learned something. As always, take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask. We love you. Hey, it's Friday, got the college gear on. Actually, I got Mrs. Niewayne on the college train now too. She's wearing an Arizona State t-shirt. You want to show it, Mrs. Niewayne?
Yes. Oh, you can't really see. Sun Devil Pride! Woo!
We did not go to the same college. I think you guys probably knew that. So we both got the College Pride going. It is College Friday, but it's also, of course, Funky Friday, doing our life skill. I did laundry a couple weeks ago, and I got a mix of reactions. Some of you were like, I know how to do laundry. Why would you do this? And some of you were like, I had no idea how to do laundry. Thank you for doing this. So another one that some of you probably know, we're going to do a couple of dishes. I have a dishwasher. It's right over here. But some stuff can't go in the dishwasher, like these non-stick frying pans and my good kitchen knives. If I put that stuff in the dishwasher, it actually gets trashed. And then some stuff, like this soda making bottle, actually says on it that it's not dishwasher safe. There's like a little warning on the side, don't put this in the dishwasher, because it will melt. So for that stuff, you got to do it in the sink. So we were standing here in the kitchen. We got the sink going right here. Hopefully you can kind of see that. So we're going to take this. I've got a basket thing like this. I'm going to take the regular plug one, stick that in the bottom of the sink, and then just some regular suds like this. You don't need a ton, just like a little, that's enough. Kind of a little drop like that, and then just put some water in. If you don't have one of these sprayer things, if you just have this, you may have to kind of work your hand into the water a little bit, just kind of get it sudsy. And then careful with how you put your dishes in. I've got some plastic bibs for my daughter, and a cutting board and that pan I just showed you, but I'm going to leave these knives out to the side, because if they're in that soapy water and I can't see them, I run the risk of cutting myself. So in the actual how do you wash, got a couple options. We've got this brush that I usually use like for coffee cups that can't go in the dishwasher. You can get inside the cup. A lot of people like these sponges. We get ours actually at Dollar Tree, and they have these sponges that are just a sponge on one side and this extra scrubber on the other side. It's real good for cleaning up like cutting boards or dirty cookie sheets, that kind of thing, getting the crud off of there. But my favorite that I tend to use is just a regular dish rag like this. So you just kind of wash the stuff. And I'm just washing the frying pan, wipe it out. And then I'm going to rinse it off. Rinse, rinse, rinse. And then you got two options. You can either take a dish towel like this and dry it off, in which case then you can put it away or put it right back on the stove to maybe make something to eat. Or I have a little dish rack here on the other side of the sink. Some of you might have a dish rack like I do. I'll show it in just a second. Or you might just have a place designated either in the sink or on the counter where you dry stuff out. Like I know Mrs. Niewayne Sr. Has a mat that she lays out on her counter. Kind of looks like a dish towel, but it's a little fancier. And she dries her dishes on that. So when I'm done with the frying pan, just kind of toss it in the dish rack here. Just let it dry out. And so that is what you're looking at when you're trying to do some dishes. This has been your Funky Friday one. I'll be getting you guys feedback. I saw a lot of assignments came in yesterday. I'll be getting feedback and trying to get grades updated by the time school would typically end today, so by about 3:30. And then hopefully you can enjoy the weekend. Your assignment for next week will get posted later today at 3:30 p.m. It'll be on volcanoes, and so you can take a look at that starting next Monday. and go ahead and get that stuff done. As always, if you have any questions, reach out, send me an email, send me a message on the Google Hangouts. And then take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe. Wash your hands. If you're doing dishes, it's kind of a natural way to wash your hands. And we love you. I'll see you guys next week.